The new 2019 Ram 1500 influenced its presentation at the Detroit Auto to demonstrate a week ago. At the Uncover, Ram revealed a few variations, including the Ram 1500 Limited and Ram 1500 Rebel. That was only a taste, a short nibble to whet your truck-adoring sense of taste. As should be obvious in these government operative photographs, there are much more models to come. FCA just discharged points of interest on the new Ram 1500 Laramie Longhorn, and it hopes to bear on its forerunner's southwestern roused subject. The Laramie Longhorn can best be portrayed as a western farm on wheels. The selection of hues, materials and subtle elements are there to realize a feeling of Texas-style extravagance. In spite of the fact that the two-tone paint and LED headlights are pleasant, the genuine meat is inside the truck. It's anything but difficult to perceive any reason why Ram gets out cattle rustler boots, stash watches and horseman's seats. Simply investigate the metal clasp on the back of the seat pockets. The dashboard, entryway boards and armrests are done in full-grain cowhide. The middle reassure, instrument group, seats and entryway boards are embellished with a croc skin design. There are chrome and nickel emphasizes all through in the Longhorn symbol marked onto the wood on the dashboard. There's additionally wood on the entryways and focus comfort. There are two inside shading choices, both with differentiating channeling, mountain brown, light mountain brown and black, cattle tan. Both are full cowhide. Notwithstanding the discretionary two-tone paint, the Ram 1500 Laramie Longhorn gets a chrome grille, guards and toe snares. Avoids and wheel flares are standard. The standard wheel is another 20-inch plan, however a bigger 22-inch wheel is accessible. The Texas topic proceeds outside with belt-clasp badging on the truck's side. All whatever remains of the 2019 Ram 1500 highlights are here, as well, including 4G Wi-Fi, a 12-inch touchscreen infotainment framework, 5 supports and an inside comfort sufficiently expansive to bathe in. The Laramie Longhorn model ought to get Ram's attempted and genuine 5.7-liter Hemi V8, now accessible with the e-torque Milo half-and-half framework. Estimating hasn't been declared, however hope to see a full breakdown soon.